Ken Wakuraya nĩaitĩte maithori ma Kîeha na akaremwo kũhitha kĩeha gĩake nĩ kuona arũme nĩ maragerera maũndũ maritũ mũno, no in the name of being a man makaremwo kumũkania and they are just dying in silence. No ke augĩte ndegũkira, he will speak his mind, na nĩarakorirwo akĩrekereria ndũmĩrĩri kũgerera nenda ciake cia ũkinyanĩria, ndũmĩrĩri ĩrĩa ĩrarongoreria wanaume wenzake calling them to action, na oho kwenda kũma encourage na kũmera atĩ it is very much okay to speak out whenever they are going through difficult times, handũ ha gũkua na mathĩna makirĩte in the name of being a man. And he took to his Facebook page na kurekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩno akiuga, this might just look funny right now. Honestly, nimecheka, but it is not funny at all. Men are dying silently in their homes. But mtu anajikaza akisema mimi ni mwanaume. What mwanaume are you when you can't make a simple decision to speak out? What's the measure of manhood? Is it smiling at your potential and ultimate killer as you call her sweetie in family gatherings? As you whisper to your divorced cousin, mimi niko na yeye juu ya watoto? My friend, wacha hao watoto wajue Kiingereza vizuri at grade fulani. They will have polished their English by the time you are killed. They will write and recite a beautiful tribute to dad, and to honor your mwanaume status, the villagers will nod and say, niwaigua ciana guthomithio wega. As the hired choir's voices bid you goodbye. Nitugacemania kuu twakinya iguru. Mwanaume ongea ukiwa hai. My thought, Ken Wakuraya. Na aracoka aramyumagaria na mbica ĩno haha ya what seems to be a man's burial, a man being buried by several women. Na mbica ĩno nĩyo araugaga it may look funny, but it is not funny because men are seriously dying silently in their homes or in the name of being a man. Na ndũmĩrĩri ĩno yake nĩ ĩracokire kũiyũkio wega mũno. More so from the men. Nĩ marakenereire mũno nĩ kuona Ken Wakuraya publicly sharing this post na kwarĩrĩria ndeto ĩno. Caroline Ndemathi onake akiuga true. Ndegwa wa Esther akiuga very true Ken. Alafu bibi atakuja na mwanaume mwingine mazishi yako. Jomo wa Nyathira, ucio ni ũrimũ. Never live in a painful marriage sababu ya watoi. Tesmeli Jim akiuga you hit the nail on its head Ken. Men please, you are our brothers and many more. We need you please. Kĩrĩ ngoro gĩtihotanaga, speak it out and live long. Onake Alasi arauga every word in the post is 100 truth. Onake Innocent Mwangi arauga very true, this is fact. We must not shy to speak loud. Men are dying protecting their image. Ati ni wa kanisa, ati hajatupa bibi, ati real man. Onake Joshua Kamau arauga well spoken. Watoto sijui ni kusema nini when relationship turns toxic. I should leave immediately. Better a divorced man than a dead man. For me, I have no excuse. Nanima, onake John Gesheha arauga ni waria. Lenny Gashego onake arauga truer words have never been spoken. On a hazard, Zach arauga very true Ken Wakuraya. Soon we shall have boy child movement. On a chef Karo akauga mimi nasema sahi. Hata kama mimi si mwanaume hau waria ta athuri atano. Na nima Ken Wakuraya ni ara encourage arume muno matigetikire gukua in silence. They need to speak out todo. It does not make you less of a man when you speak out. After all, you'd rather speak now riwe muoyo. Ukira uragago okuwage ando matigo magigutugiria. But in real sense, wakua ni gukira gwaku. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe, never miss an update on the latest Kikuyu celebrity news. Subscribe now for the latest and trending gossip.